Hello everybody, thank you for taking the time to meet with me. I just wanted to give a quick presentation on why I think we should definitely reconsider moving on from the Parks and Rec department. I think what you'll find in this presentation will be very convincing, and hopefully we can find a way to keep this. So I want to start with the importance of recreation and leisure. A couple of the big things are, one, recreation and leisure, they play a big part in our community. A lot of people in the community look for a sense of belonging, and a lot of them just want to fit in. Seeing that there are other people amongst them that have the same ideals, enjoy the same things, and want to get involved together is a great way to bring the community together. So that's the first main part. Second is that with the community's children, they want them getting out, meeting people, meeting kids that have similar interests, but also recreation and leisure teach a lot of great values, and they teach kids how to be good leaders and become good people, which will in turn in the future lead them to be good citizens. And lastly, with the parents who have kids that bring them, they get to network with other parents and allow them to see that there are other good people in their community that have similar interests, ideals, whatnot. The next thing I wanted to go over was the medical benefits. There are obviously a lot of different reasons why we should keep the recreation and leisure going, because it is important socially. But there are also medical benefits that we have to consider as well that I feel that only this department offers. So first, it offers the opportunity for everybody to be active, which actually enhances the immune system, helps people keep people happy and healthy. And when people are happy and healthy, they want to be good citizens and they want to contribute to the city. Along with this, the community members, this gives them options to reduce stress in their lives. We all know work is stressful. We all know that life can be a lot sometimes, but being able to get out and be able to go do things that you enjoy reduces that stress. With all the different activities that we offer, many of our community members are able to meet people who have similar interests, and they're able to bond over those interests and make friends, which, going into my next point, leads to having good emotional and mental health. Mental health is growing ever more important each and every year, and that we have to do things to make sure we're taking care of ourselves mentally. Having these opportunities to get out and enjoy the activities you do for leisure and recreation, it helps your mental health, it helps your self-esteem, it makes you happy, and that has a direct impact on the rest of the areas in your life. I wanted to go over quickly one of my favorite quotes because behind the importance of recreation and leisure. Plato actually said that you can discover more about a person in an hour of play than in a year of conversation. And I find that to be true. We learn more about the community members that we have with us in seeing how they play and how they interact with each other whilst playing than we do just conversing with them. Another cool medical important fact that the University of Utah did in a study in 2021, I'll just read the quote. It says, "Not only does a balance of work and recreation improve our physical and mental health, but it also positively influences our occupational, emotional, and social health as well. Recreation, especially nature, helps our brains relax and stimulates us cognitively, which results in greater productivity at work." With the businesses in our community and with the schools and with everything else going on, we need to offer activities and options to our community members so that they can, help relax, and then doing these things will help stimulate them to be more productive and better at work, which will directly influence us. The other thing that's really important is this department serves the entire community. I'm sure you know the ADA has given every Parks and Recreation department a legal mandate to serve anyone with a disability. And because of that, we cater to anyone with a disability and give them the opportunity to be like anyone else. A lot of times we can have members in our community feel left out and feel that they're different because of their disability. But having these programs that we offer, we get to put them in with people not only like them, but allow them to feel like anybody else. Allow them to make friends and be a part of the community in just a way that no other department does quite like it. So in conclusion, just going over a couple of things that we went over. The activities and opportunities that our department offers helps de-stress and build relationships in the community that are not to be taken for granted, and they should not be taken away. Our department gives a lot of meaning to a lot of people and affects them in all aspects of their lives, as we just went over. You get to meet people with similar interests and give the communities a better sense of belonging. The lessons that are taught to the children, you can't put a price on them. They're invaluable, and they're going to teach these kids to be the leaders of our future. Going back to earlier, mental health is a very serious thing and should not be taken lightly. And getting our kids to partake in leisure builds better mental health. And lastly, no other department gives everyone a sense of belonging and somewhere to fit in, just like this department does. That is it. Thank you.